Alright guys, so the recording went off because I didn't have enough memory in my phone, so I'm gonna get that cleared up. But basically we killed the boss already, and I'm gonna just open a chest for you guys. So bandit cartridges, bandit cartridges, bandit cartridges. All we got. Wait. Open chest. Receive clever best. Come on, let's get it pink. Purple, rare. Alright. Open chest. Do we get it pink? Rare. Ah. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video. And if this gets about 5 likes, because I'm barely starting, I'm gonna make more videos about more different things. I probably will make, since if I get enough views or something, at least I'll make a walkthrough since level 1 all the way to the level cap. And comment below what character I should use. Should it be a rogue? Should it be a rogue, a sorcerer, or a warrior? Thanks for watching guys. Like the video.